Hey people, I don't really know if you guys have experience of your pets losing its fur and hair and the sudden, scratching of itself, because Booba never did that, and now she's doing it. She scratches herself and she's losing fur, and it's all the signs of microwave that I see in her. This is the way she's doing it. I mean, she wakes up thirsty and she startles, most of the time when she's like on my chest, sleeping. Just the way I get startled, in the middle of the night by these sick bastards, the way they shoot my feet. Just like they shot. So she has a similar issue here, people. And only those of you who have had their animals, abused know it. So you know what's it like, and you do know that, that situation. So, Booba. That's the way she's scratching herself, you see. She never did that. And she's been doing this for almost, 2 weeks now. It's sad, people, how much of a malicious, disgusting criminal these psychopaths are. I mean, it's just an animal, people. It's just an animal, and they shoot her. Besides shooting me. Church people, lodge people, sickest people, with these kind of indoctrinations they have grown so far, to destroy lives of people, lives of animals. It's like she has been infected with fungus or something. Just the way I used to scratch myself, before I learned the detoxification, etc. So if you know the tips how to help the animal, please share it. I do appreciate it. Thank you.